She walks in, shoulders low, like she's just part of the crowd. But somehow the silence shifts, somehow the lights shine brighter now. She may not believe her mere entrance changed the room, but the way the world around her shifts, it starts to sing another tune. She's a whisper in the static, a bloom where none has grown, and every step she doesn't see is where I've made my home. She don't wear diamonds, but heads still turn. She don't chase the spotlight, but somehow for her it still burns. She may not feel it, but I've known all along. She's the rhythm in the quiet, the words in every song. Coffee shop closed, still she lingers in my mind, laughing at her own jokes and rolling her eyes at mine. She folds the world into her with grace she doesn't see, and it's in the moment she forgets those mean the most to me. She's the echo of a promise, a spark none can explain, and I may spend my whole damn life thinking I'm insane. She don't wear diamonds, but still she steals the scene. Got no script to follow, but she moves like from a dream. You may not know it, but I swear it's true. There's nobody else who can turn those gray skies blue the way that you do. But I've written you in ink the world can't undo. So if you ever feel too small for the sky, just hum this tune and remember why. She don't wear diamonds, but she still wears the crown. No, she's not the loudest, but still the soul of every sound. She may not feel it, but I've known all along. She's the quiet thunder in all my favorite songs.